Hello and welcome, guys. Today kind of short video. It's another day, another fitting. Today I decided actually change the quad lock mount. It's okay, it fits okay, this one, but I want to more have a fun more central. Like this side is not too bad, but when I turn right or left, the phone is a little bit bended. I actually decided to buy the Evotech quad lock mount. So it's bolts over here into the clamps, handlebar clamps. So over here I'm gonna have phone more central. Doesn't matter what position, vertical or horizontal, the phone will be always in the center. It's not a big deal, but I want to try, have a look. So we're going to take out the old one. I'm going to remove from this one in the second damper, vibration damper. So we remove that clamps. Evotech supplied all clamps. So the bolt goes inside over here. Second here, it's much longer bolt. And then two spacers, okay? Yeah, and then we have to unbolt that damper. And then the damper goes on the top. And then on the top goes this part. And then with those two bolts we can adjust the position up and down. Like that. Right, I'm gonna put the phone on now and have a look. Now we have a Evotech quad lock mount mounted in the middle of the bike, and have a look. Look, it's in the center, and you can see phone, dash, and you can adjust the position. So I think this is the right position. Yeah, I think this is the good one. I don't want it like that. Just want to make sure I can see if I put the sat nav on. I'm gonna take the phone out and just tied up those adjusting position bolts. Oh, I moved. Bloody hell. Definitely looks much nicer than the genuine quad lock one. I like it. So another bit of good quality piece put on the bike. So far, that's everything from me. Be good, stay safe, ride smart. I'll see you, bye.